Alright, so from the previous video, you found out we got a cow here on the farm. And the farmer was actually weaning her off grains and stuff, drying her up. She's pregnant and she's going to be calving in June, it was, right?
Yeah.
And we're going to try milking her anyways tonight because I think she milked her this morning. But we want to try some fresh milk. I've never milked a cow, so I'm going to try it. It's going to be hilarious. And we're just got to move some things around in the barn quickly so that we can pull Moonbeam out to the stanchions where we're going to be milking her. And her kids are here. Hello, Miss Moonbeam. How's your stay so far?
Yay!
Are you going to move for us? Are you going to say hello? Yeah? So that's Moonbeam. And we have stanchions here.
It's Moonbeam.
Moonbeam, bean.
Snuggie.
So we gotta move this stuff quickly and put her in a stanchion so we can try milking her. Oh, and we got some meat rabbits too. Oh, there she goes. She's too shy to moo on camera, aren't you? You wanna say hello again? Okay. Maybe later. Okay, she's gonna halter up Moonbeam here, and then we're gonna walk her over to try to milk her off. You gonna say hi to us now, Moonbeam? Can I say hello?
No, I don't like the camera.
Nope, she's camera shy. So we don't know how much milk we'll get from her right now because she was milked this morning, but
She was being milked less and less. Like he had her down
Right.
once a day, so she's still probably there'll be some, but I don't know how.
This used to be like a full.
when she's fully milking, she was doing 32 liters a day. In the past few weeks, she's been doing 15 to 18, I think. Come on, Moonbeam, let's try this out. She's still nervous, trying to figure things out. Once we get her into a routine here.
Moonbeam's famous now, like you, me, and
This will be entertaining.
the quail.
It's not very full, so I don't know how much.
Logan, Moonbeam's going right where your head is. Yeah, because the whole.
Wrangling the cow, this is how it's done.
The halt's not on. Yeah, not yet.
It's nice that she's used to doing this, so it makes it easier for Kristen to train her here. I've never trained a cow, so I wouldn't know what to do. And neither has she.
She's pooping!
That's okay, she's allowed. They do that.
I see cow shit.
Kristen?
Okay, I won't say that. But I see cow crap.
No, I gotta edit that out of the video. You can't be saying things like that.
You can't talk like that anyway.
Remember, unintelligent people speak like that.
I see cow.
Well, there's our first bit of compost right there. Good job, Moonbeam. Oh. Okay, guys, step to the back here.
Little Moonbeam's right there. That's her. They're all like, what is this thing? Get her head. No, in this one.
Okay, stop
Okay,
yelling. I want her in this one, so she's not gonna get caught on stuff or anything. We're gonna try this and see how it goes, okay?
There we
She's
go.
used to these though.
Okay, just leave that one, Griffin. Don't make too much noise so we don't scare her, okay? Okay. So, you've got the sanitizing solution there.
She can eat if she
And we've got our chicken covered bar stool for milking. We'll probably have to clean that off one of these days.
She's been in one of those before to milk. Have you milked her before in one of these?
No, I've never milked her before.
So she's just cleaning off her teats right now.
And she just pooped. Freshly poopy teats.
There we go. How's it going over the
And
Moonbeam?
poop comes out in logs.
She started. I told you she was bumpy.
Try it with the dirty rag. Clean off this a little.
Okay, once we're ready, we'll come back and show you. She's just going to do a cleanup job because she does not want to sit on chicken poop.
No.
Not a true farm girl then, are you?
I'd like to avoid it more than necessary.
Okay, we'll be right back. Alright, so you've got a bucket here.
We have to upgrade a little from the Nigerian sized buckets, and we're not quite prepared for that yet.
Ha.
So.
Okay. Let's see how this works.
Let's see how she is with the
Single milk.
idea. Hey girl, I have no idea. I've never milked a cow.
Oh, there we go.
It's a little bit bigger than a goat.
Should be quicker then.
The first squirts usually get out.
Just that nasty milk.
Yeah, if there's any bacteria. Even.
There we go. Milking the cow on the homestead.
Hey, you're not doing the chocolate milk one.
I told you they dried up the chocolate milk one. There's only white milk right now.
Good girl.
So I told her kids that if they want to drink milk, they need to come milk this cow. And one of the teeth has chocolate milk in on it, and it switches every day. So that's the only way they're gonna milk a cow, I think. So we'll see how it goes. How's it going there?
Good, I see a bunch of milk.
It's going good. Not quite Nige-sized teeth that I'm used to.
Yeah. There we go. We got some fresh cow.
Squeeze it.
Fresh cow juice. How exciting is that?
To block off at the top and then you squeeze down. Like with the goat, but it's a lot bigger.
Can I try? She like hears all these noises.
Let me get most of it and then you can try. Okay?
I might have to try, shouldn't I?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I should try.
Someone's got to become a real farmer now.
We need a shorter stool because I'm too tall for this.
Gotta sit on the ground.
Okay. Well, that's kind of brown. It's kind of dirty. So how do you do this?
So you have to block at the top. So
Yeah.
you want to close your finger and thumb
Yeah.
and then
Oh, there you
squeeze
go.
down. Don't pull, squeeze. You don't want to hurt her. Squeeze your hand. Put your fingers together.
I am squeezing.
Yeah, but don't pull down on her. She won't be very happy about that. There you go. Block at the top and then squeeze. Just roll your fingers down. Don't pull.
The other side with
Don't
the
pull.
chocolate
I'm not pulling. This is gonna take some practice, I think. There we go.
Close there.
Yeah.
Close and squeeze. Just close your hand.
Oh.
You don't pull at all. Just squeeze. You just kind of slowly close all your fingers one at a time. Just a minute. You can have a turn too.
Wow. Okay. Well,
Okay.
this is gonna take a bit of practice. So we'll let Kristen do this because she's a professional milker with her goats, anyways.
Yeah, you want to try? Okay, come here.
We got one big
I don't know how patient she is.
Angie, you need to take your mitts off, though.
Yeah, just maybe that.
tiny bit of milk.
Can you hold this?
I'm going out to play with the kitty
Okay,
for the next
close your
hour.
How's it going there, Moonbeam?
Can I try?
Giving us some fresh milk there?
There you go.
Nice work.
Can I try, Mama?
You have to close at the top and then squeeze down. Close your-
Okay, so once we get her milked, we'll see how much we get from her.
Can I try?
Girl, yeah, good girl, you try.
So how does this work? If you just milk the two, is it alright? Or do you need to milk all four of
You
them?
need to milk all four sides.
All
You
four?
don't want her to get started.
So they're all different ducks then.
Yeah. They're all right.
Try again.
Cool. Well, you learn something new every day about animals here on the farm. There she goes, milking away. Looks like she's getting quite a bit. So in her...
Yeah, come here.
Okay.
I don't have this.
What happened there right now?
Hey, you squirted on my hand!
Haha, she just gave you a milk bath.
Hey, you squirted on my hand.
Well, it's hard to correct when the bucket's more on that side.
Oh, Ainsley's pretty good at this. Look at you go, Ainsley.
I want to try.
You're a pro.
I want to try.
But I'm very good at it.
Roll the sleeve up. There you go.
Go.
Cool. Good times.
Go.
So once she has her cow, like I said, I think before, we're going to get 2 bull calves. So she raises a bull calf and her baby, and hopefully milk her a lot and get enough milk for cheese, yogurt, things like that. Because I've always wanted to start making my own Parmesan cheese and cheddar and some of the better cheeses like Brie and Camembert. So good. But make butter, cream, and all that awesome stuff. So once we're done here milking the cow, we'll show you how much milk we get, and then we'll take it inside. I think we need to filter it, and we'll try it out and see how she tastes. Good job, Moonbeam.
Back up.
Now we're just gonna put her on the halter and put her back for the night and let her have a good sleep. Enjoy her first night in her new home. There you go. Good thing we kept these tensions, eh?
Yeah.
I knew it. I knew they'd come in handy one day. Now we gotta keep 4 because we've got 3 more cows coming.
Yeah, but we're not milking them.
That's true, but still.
Back up, girl.
There we go.
Girl. No, this way.
This way. Hey.
It's a narrow aisle for.
It is. There we go. There you go. You got it figured out. Hey. Well, there you go, cow. Have a good first night in your barn. Okay, so there's probably about 2 liters there. It's yellow. And Kristen just looked it up online. And what did the internet tell you about yellow cow's milk?
That it's excess beta-carotene from their diet, just like a yellow egg yolk is richer in better-fed hens than grocery store hens.
So you said beta carotene.
Yeah.
So maybe they've been eating lots of carrots. Maybe not.
Or grass, or really good hay.
Yeah, there you go. So
Thank you.
we're going to filter this quickly. And I think we might try it and see how it is.
I want to try some.
So how do we filter raw milk?
So you, this fits in a mason jar.
Yeah.
The filters are in here. They fit right inside. This ring goes in. Push them down.
That's pretty straightforward.
Yep.
Nice and easy.
And then you just pour the milk through it to strain all the dirt and stuff that gets in when you're milking out.
Okay. Oh, it strains through pretty quick. I thought it would have been a bit slower for strain.
It's way faster. Lots of people use like coffee filters, which are fine, except if you're doing maybe 1 goat or something, it's not bad. It does get lots of dirt out and stuff, but it's not so great for the whole speed thing.
And how
It's
much?
really slow.
How much milk could you do on 1 filter here? Like how many liters? Like 4 or 5 liters, or?
I've only ever done my goats. I think you could probably do the whole anything you get from her, but
Right.
these are my goat size things.
Right. So who knows? Well, I guess we'll find out.
Yeah. It must be pretty fatty because it's taken a while. It's thick.
So good fat content means lots of cream and lots of butter for us, I guess.
And lots of cheese.
And lots of cheese. We need to order some cheese cultures soon, and well, she's drying off, so we won't be doing it for a while, but I wish we were.
They don't sell out.
Yeah, maybe we should stock up sooner than later. It's almost like a darkish, like a brown and yellow color. It's interesting. It almost looks like butter you would buy from the store.
Yeah, I may end up needing more than 1 filter for if it's really thick. I don't know.
So disclaimer, raw milk will kill you. Please do not drink raw milk. Disclaimer,
Please don't sell it. or buy it.
disclaimer, disclaimer. Governments say it's bad for you. Believe everything they tell you. Not. Okay. Once we get this filtered, we will show you first taste test of the Jersey milk cow. It looks so thick compared to what you get at the grocery store. It's unreal. This will make some great kefir too. I've got kefir grains at home. Yum, fresh kefir. Gonna have many uses for this fresh milk. Here we go, first taste test.
What's that face?
Tastes weird.
It's really salty.
Yeah. How am I supposed to taste?
No.
I don't think so. Okay, so it tastes really salty. We think it's from him drying her off a bit. So that was the worst first taste test ever. Wasn't bad, but are we gonna drink it?
No.
Probably not for right now. We'll wait till she starts milking properly.
Can I try
there you go, guys. Thanks for watching that quick video of us milking a cow for the first time. Always a good first experience.
Yeah, you can try.
So
I actually
they're gonna
really
try
like
it. Griffin likes anything, doesn't matter how it tastes. He'll drink and eat anything. So thanks for watching, guys. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day. We'll see you out there.